chicken, duck, pig, cow, horse, goat. Toys of TV.
Hi, BUBU.
Hey, Mommy.
What are we gonna do today?
Gonna play with puzzle mode.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited too. Let's do this, BUBU. Hey, BUBU. But wait, where's the puzzle pieces? Did you see any around here?
No.
Nope. Oh, where did they go? What is that? Oh, can you open it?
Yeah.
Wow, there's something written in that piece of paper. What does it say, BUBU? Let me see. It says, are you looking for the puzzle pieces?
Yeah.
Mr. Farmer has hidden them in the grain box. Unwrap the magical wrapper and fit the right piece in the right place. Good luck! What? BUBU, we found the answer for it.
What?
Yeah, the pieces are in the grain box.
Yeah.
Now we should find the grain box. Where's the grain box?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go find it. Come on. Yay! We found the grain box. Hey, it's the puzzle pieces.
They're hiding.
Yeah, they are hiding. Okay, can you take it out?
Yeah.
We got the first one. Ooh, you found another puzzle piece, BUBU. Let's keep digging. We got all the pieces. Can you see the colors?
White, purple, kind of mustard yellow. Light blue, orange, yellow.
Great job. Oh, wait, but how do we know where to put these puzzles, BUBU?
Idea.
What idea?
Unwrap it.
Okay. Which color do you want to take first? You want to take the purple? Oh no, we can't unwrap the puzzle pieces, huh? Did you hear that? It sounds neigh.
Yes.
Which animal sounds neigh?
It's horse.
It's horse, you're right. Try putting it on the horse. Yay! The magical wrap is gone. Wow! It sounds oink oink, BUBU. Which animal sounds oink?
It's money.
Yeah. You're right, BUBU. BUBU got the next piece. BUBU got the next piece. What does it sound, BUBU? Meh, huh? Yeah, gut. Let's try putting it on the gut. Yay! The wrapper is gone. It is good. Yeah. let's take the yellow one. It's
Chicken.
good job. Let's try the next piece. What is that sound?
Quack.
Quack quack. Let's try it on the duck. The magical wrapper is gone. And it is duck, BUBU. Let's try the next piece. What is that sound? Moo? Which animal sounds moo?
Cow.
Wow, cow. Good job, BUBU. What's the next animal?
This one.
Yeah, that one. What does that sound?
Ba.
Which animal sounds baba?
Sheep.
Okay, let's try it on sheep. You're right. It's sheep. Yeah, BUBU. What's left?
This one.
Yeah.
Farm. Barnyard.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, let's put that piece in the barnyard. I've completed putting all the farm animals back. Yay! Let's say all the animals' name, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Chicken. Duck. Pig. Cow. Barnyard. Horse. Goat.
Good job, BUBU.
Bye, kids.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.